Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining. I know last year was the most unbelievable hectic year and it was difficult for all of us. There are so many things going on in this pandemic and I hope you all are healthy, safe and doing fine, having a great time with the ones you love. Been really long since I posted any video on my channel. I am so sorry guys, been so lazy lately. I try my best to be regular in 2021. I'll make sure I'll be more active on my channel. But yeah, I am active on my Instagram. If you guys do follow me on Instagram already, you must have seen I have posted some interesting stories, lots of pictures, and yeah, reels and stuffs too. Go and follow me right now. I'll mention my Instagram handle somewhere on the screen as well in the description. In this video, I will show you my charcoal drawing process. Personally, I love using charcoal. I think this is one of the best medium to work with. We can easily achieve really dark value with it. It is a great medium for realistic drawing. I really love its matte finish. There is no shine with the charcoal like we do have in graphite. Also, I feel charcoal is such a flexible medium. There are different techniques that work really well with charcoal, as I will talk about them in my coming videos. Yes, I was going through Pinterest and found this reference and I was so excited to work with it. What made me to choose this particular reference is that the emotion in this picture. I mean, I love this beautiful composition, light situation, her hair and the fabric part, which really convinced me to draw this. Yeah, I had tried my best to capture the same as reference. Also guys, nowadays I'm into gardening. It was always my passion, but now I am giving it more time and focus. I do have lots of plants, indoor and outdoor. And yeah, season 1 too. I really love them. All of them need different kinds of attention, care and love. So yeah, I had a great time with my family. My holiday went really well guys. My cousin came, we had some family over, some friends. One of my cousin was here. Her name is Umama. She is sweet little girl, very close to my heart. Comment down below and tell me what did you do in the holiday season? How was your new year? What did you guys do to spend your time? What are your hobbies? Do let me know in the comment section. I think we all should have a hobby, and my favorite hobby is my work, my artwork. This is my passion. I love doing it guys. Art is like meditation to me. I was a born artist, you know. When I was in my school, I was really into all kind of activities in arts and craft. I used to take part in all the drawing competition. Yeah, I do remember. I knew back then that somewhere I'm gonna do something in this field. I love drawing and stuff. I love doing creative things. So yeah, right now this is what I'm pursuing. And I think personally we should all pursue what we love, what we feel good about. You know guys, I think there is nothing best if your passion is the thing from which you are earning. from which you get a decent amount of money, so that that will not feel like you are doing a boring job or working which you are not enjoying. By this I'm not saying that all the job out there are boring, but you know what I mean. What important is that, in my opinion, that you enjoy your work. It will be like you are doing something you love and earning from it. It will help you in both the things. You will be happy and you will enjoy your work life. Well, in the end, I guess this is what is important. Peace of mind. Yeah, I hope you get this. The key to this conversation is that we all should pursue something which gives us a peace of mind, calm and happiness in our life. It could be anything, guys. It could be cooking, or you spending time with your family, friends, your parents, your grandparents, or it could be playing, reading a novel, or hanging out with your friends or your boyfriends, or it could be anything, but for me it is my artwork. And guys, the most important thing is to be consistent in whatever you are doing, is to get rid of all the negative vibes. Whenever you come across with the negativity around you, I think you should just ignore them and do some creative and focus on something which make you feel good. Like I said, by following your hobbies are healthy. They teach you things. Like if you start something, you finish it, you don't stop until you get it right, and if you don't get it right, you start over again, and you keep on going as long as you have to. That's the way it is. If any of your hobby, if it really makes you feel good from inside, just do it. Go for it. Don't think too much. If simply taking a shower make you feel good at that moment, then do it with some roses, nice fragrance, candles and stuff. Or simple go and grab a nice cup of coffee with your favorite TV series or book, and then enjoy that. I think that is the best thing, and we should always be motivated to see another day with a smile. Also guys, I don't know if you guys like or not, but yeah, I do like to watch web series and movies, Netflix a lot. If you have some, you can suggest me one. What are you guys into these days? What are you watching? I would love to hear from you all. By the way, Friends is my all-time favorite TV series, and I guess many of you out there agree with me. Yeah, I think healthy body leads to healthy mind. We should live an active lifestyle. We should have something that makes us healthy. Even a 30-minute walk is good, or exercise, cycling, or any sport activity which work for you. I think exercise not only changes your body, it changes your mind, your attitude, and yeah, your mood. Hold tight guys, and I know we all can do it. We all can achieve our dreams. We just need to be consistent on daily basis. Don't lose hope. What if this is the year what makes everything coming back together? Remember this, you are limited only by your own imagination and desire. That's a long talk. Do take care of your physical and mental health, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you all a happy and inspiring day. See you soon. Bye.